In this video, we're going to see how division is a reverse of multiplication. So in class, we were talking with the students about how when you have 6/7 divided by 2/7, technically we're going to do reverse multiplication because we want to see how many parts we have within each of those 6/7. So one method that we showed them is just doing 6 times 7 to get 42, and that becomes your new numerator. This is 2 times 7, and that becomes your new denominator. And then you need to simplify. When you simplify, you're technically kind of dividing, figuring out what number can be divided into both. And in this case, it comes out into an even 3. Another way you can show your student at home is taking 8/9 divided by 2/3, but then saying, well, it's an inverse operation because we want to see how many total parts we have within each of our pieces. So we're going to take 8/9 times 3/2, making the fraction an inverse operation, multiplying across, which is something that they've learned when multiplying by fractions, to get 24/18. And when you look at 24/18, your numerator is bigger than your denominator, so you need to make it a mixed number and think how many times 18 can go into 24. It can go in once, so that becomes my whole number. I have a denominator of 3 and 1. If we look at it again, I did some simplifying real quick before I even went into it. So 18/24, 1, 18, that becomes a 14, a 2, so 6. So then I technically have 1 and 6/8. And when I simplify it, dividing by 2, I get 1 and 1/3.